it's showing me some error.
Yeah, the reason it is showing error is I've shown you only the IP address, the name, and the private key. But if you read a little bit above, you will see some more details.
Okay.
What is the number that you see?
Uh, triple double two double two. Port host number.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Right? By default, the port number is 22. Okay.
Okay.
But Vagrant forwards it to a different port. So you will have to type 2222 there.
Okay.
Okay.
And you click on open.
Host.
This is the screen you will get. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you
Yeah.
type the user Vagrant. Okay. The password by default for all the Vagrant machines is Vagrant. The username and password are the same.
Okay.
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 What is the username?
When you see on the screen, what is the fourth line you are reading over there?
Okay. Okay. Private username is Vagrant, and down we can see private key.
Right. So username and password are both are same.
Good.
Okay. Both are Vagrant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yesterday I believe I've asked you to check at least 50 Linux commands that are commonly used. Is that right? Was that in yesterday's class or
Yeah.
before? Right? Did
Yeah,
you
before
get through
access.
those? Yeah. Did you start reading those commands at least?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have seen.
Okay. I'll perform a command over here. Can you tell me what does this do?
Actually, it showed that putty inactive in my PC.
Sorry, what is it?
Actually, this putty didn't got installed in my PC.
Okay. I mean, even if Putty didn't work, you would have at least studied about those commands, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have studied about those some of the commands like
Okay.
add, grep,
You,
find, SSH.
yeah. Can you open your Putty now to the machine with the port number and IP address that I've given you?
Just a minute.
Yeah.
All of you,
Uh,
please do it.
I have to use your port number, IP address, or ours.
No. On your command line, whatever
Okay.
details that you are seeing as an output of that command, those are the ones that you need to see.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, how can I see those details now? Actually, I have installed this Vagrant in afternoon time. So
Did you do Vagrant up?
yeah,
Do you have an output?
yeah.
Did you close it or what?
I closed it. Actually, I have installed it in after 12 o'clock. Actually, it got successfully installed for me.
Okay.
So
Uh, how can you see it? Is it on your same laptop that you did it?
yeah,
Okay. Can you open VirtualBox?
VirtualBox. Yep, just
Yeah, the Oracle VirtualBox. Check if the machine is running.
yeah, it's running. I checked.
Okay. Can you just try with 2200 first, or no? You can directly try on the 2222. Can you try with that?
The host name here before that. we need to type this 127.0.
Yeah.
Okay, 127.0.0.1 2222.
Okay, while you're typing those IP addresses,
Okay,
when I shared a class about networking,
okay.
I've told you something about 127. What is it?
Uh,
127, it is uh, it's a loopback.
loopback IP address.
Absolutely. Anything that you see on that range is going to be a loopback address. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 2222. Did you try doing it?
Yeah, I have tried it. It says connection pay refused.
It's showing for me when I entered that IP address and that 2222. It's showing the server host key is not charged in the registry. You have no
Yeah.
guarantee.
Click on yes.
Click on yes. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Log as Vagrant.
So can I see those IP address in VirtualBox?
For you, it said connection refused, right? Can you
Yeah.
try with 2200 as port number?
2200.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. For me, it opened. It says, "Welcome to your Vagrant built virtual machine."
Perfect.
7.0.0.1 2200.
Yeah.
It shows the same message. Connection refused.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Okay. Just a minute.
Right.
I'm requesting control. Did you try with 2222
Yeah,
like this? It didn't work.
it didn't work. Double
Did you
two.
try with this one?
Yeah.
The machine is not running here.
Okay. So
Where is it?
it's in just a minute. It's in R.
Okay, while that thing is coming up,
Okay.
let me start sharing my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, can you tell me the password of this after entering the login ID? I just
Vagrant.
okay.
Vagrant. I told you, right? The username and the password are the same.
Okay.
This is yesterday's notes. Can you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you find these port numbers? You find these port numbers from the output of the command. Okay.
Yeah. I think it's completed.
Okay. What is the port number that you see there?
Port number. It's same, I think. 22.
2222.
Yeah. 2222.
Connected from Putty now.
Close.
Okay. So after this is what I've been sharing with you. Each command is going to uh, create one virtual machine, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, a Vagrant file, right? Uh, and all of these details. All right. So when I go back to Putty, I hope you all are logged into Putty, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the command sudo. If you want to know what it does, you hit man, which is manual. Okay? When you purchase a mobile, you get a manual, right?
Yeah.
How to use and all those details, do's and don'ts, all that list, right? Similarly, every Linux command will have a manual page. Okay? You do sudo man sudo. Okay? So what does this command do? Sudo edit executes a command as another user. Okay? Sudo allows a permitted user to execute a command as a super user or another user as specified by the security policy. Okay?
We can.
You can read more information on it. So what I want you to do right now is do this command sudo -i. What this does is right now the user is Vagrant, right? And the current location is home and Vagrant, right?
Yeah.
Right? So if I do sudo -i and hit enter, now the user is changed to root. Root is the main administrator of a Linux system. In Windows you have administrator, right? Similarly in Linux you have a user called root who is the super user who can do anything and everything. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, this putty got stuck in my laptop, my PC.
Okay. Wait for it and try to do it when it works.
Oh,
Okay. So if I do pwd right now, okay, I'm in a different location now. Here I was in /home/vagrant, but over here I'm in /root. Okay. I actually asked you to read about Linux file system, right?
yeah.
Linux file.
I'm doing ls-l, okay?
Okay.
And I'm doing a /, which is root, and I hit enter. These are all the directory structure files, directory structure in Linux. You should know what will be there over here, what will be there over here, 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 like all of these folders. What do those folders have? You should know.
Okay.
Okay. So I want you to do this command right now with me. The command is apt-get space update. I'm hitting enter over here. You will see all of this thing happening. What we are doing over here is once you log into the machine for the first time, okay, do the below command.
Okay.
It's showing for me when I inserted this command.
Yeah.
It's showing me output as could not open the log file.
Did you do a sudo command first?
Yeah, sudo command. No,
-i. Yeah, I got it.
Are you able to do it now?
Once, can you show me sudo command? What is sudo command? sudo.
sudo space -i.
Yeah.
Okay, I've written on the screen. Okay, over here it has finished for me, and I get another prompt over here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
If you clear the screen, you can type clear and hit enter like this.
Okay.
Okay, or else on your keyboard you can do Control L and it will clear the screen.
Yeah, done.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now we brought up the machine, we logged into the machine. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Uh, and we did a sudo and we updated the repository. Okay,
Okay.
if you remember, I asked you to check how to install web server in Ubuntu, and I remember you gave me a command that's called apt-get and Apache
Okay.
to install, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. So apt-get is actually a utility. It is a tool that will help us to install packages, uninstall packages.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will see how to bring up a second Vagrant machine. Okay.
Okay.
Go to the location. Can you all go to the location where you have that Vagrant file and .vagrant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Go back one folder above. For example, let me show my screen. So I'm in this location where I have all of these things,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Got it. Yeah.
I'm going up a folder. Okay.
Okay.
Over here, I want you to create
A new
a new
folder.
folder.
Okay.
How to bring up under virtual underscore machines, create a new folder which is vm2 underscore ubuntu underscore precise 32.
Yeah.
It's vm2, sorry. Note, you should see two folders in the current location. One is vm1.ubuntu.precise precise 32. Another one is VM2 dot Ubuntu dot precise 32. Did you do that?
Yeah.
I have two folders of VM1.
How can you have it?
It's
The
the
system.
the extra one is the after precise 32 I got default 14606. Second folder of VM1 Ubuntu precise. After that I got default 14606.
Okay. Okay. Create the second folder just like this one.
Like the
Like the
If you
first
have
one.
more
Yeah,
of, okay.
yeah.
Go into this folder. Shift plus what is it? Right click and open command prompt from here. Currently this folder should be empty, right? So then you open this thing,
Yes.
perform the same commands again, which is vagrant init HashiCorp / precise 32 and do a vagrant up. You should go through all the same output that that we have seen for virtual machine 1.
Okay.
Let me know if you're getting the output or not.
Yeah, the progress
Okay,
is
it's
going on.
going.
It's happening?
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah, got the SSH address. The port
Sorry,
port number has changed in it. It's 2200 in this one.
that's right. While this is happening, let me explain you. Previously, I've actually explained you about IP addresses, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, uh, apart from IP addresses, the further extension that a system will have is port numbers.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Okay. The range of port numbers. Let me differentiate over here. Shush. Ports is you have up to 1 to 65,000 uh, 65,536, something like that. I'm exactly not sure about the last number, but it is definitely 65,000. Okay?
Okay.
121024 are reserved for system related services. Okay?
Okay.
Any external application will have different port. Some of the common ports, okay, for SSH, which is PuTTY. SSH means secure shell. Okay?
Okay.
That is PuTTY, the one you are trying to connect. When you open PuTTY, over here you have an option that says SSH, right?
Yep.
By default,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
port number is 22. If you change it, the things will change. Telnet is 23. By default, it is reserved. Okay?
Okay.
Or login 513. It is reserved. Serial port. Okay? This
Okay.
is not a default one because it is above 1024.
Okay.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, got it.
So is equal to 22. We've seen telnet is equal to 23, right? Web server, any web server, be it on Ubuntu or CentOS or Windows, the default port number is 80. Okay?
Okay.
FTP, which is file transfer port protocol, be it Windows, Ubuntu, or like all of these ports, no matter what operating system is, okay?
Okay.
20 and 21.
If you install servers, there will be a problem with the port number.
Which servers?
Web server, Tomcat, like this.
Yeah, what happens is you can actually assign port numbers. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Port number, okay, layman example. A port is an entry point into a system.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
For example, every house has a house number, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? It again has doors and windows, right?
Yeah.
If someone comes to your address, okay, something like 635 Madison Road, something like that, okay. After reaching that, if they have to enter, they need doors, right? They need to go through the door, right?
Yeah.
Right? So the port numbers are the doors into the system.
Okay.
IP address is the address of the system.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Port number is the entry point of the system. After they come to the address, okay,
Okay.
then they will enter through the port. Okay?
Because if you install Oracle database and Tomcat, for both port numbers will be same. It will be like 1521. So in order to, we have to change the port numbers like this.
Yeah, there are different ways to do it. As we go ahead, we'll be looking into that because I'll be talking about Tomcat also. We will install Tomcat, configure Tomcat and all of that stuff. I tell you, that's one of the topics in the training. Okay?
That's sure. Okay.
So we'll do that stuff. So as of now, these are some of the default things. Pop is incoming email, which is 1110 SMTP, which is simple mail transfer protocol. This is majorly used for outgoing emails. So this is port number 25. Okay. If you remember, I spoke to you about DNS.
Yeah.
DNS works on port number 53. So please read about port numbers also.
Okay.
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 An important catch over here, a very important catch over here is, if a port number is being used by one of the services in your system, okay,
Okay.
that port number cannot be used by another service.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what
Okay.
I asked.
Over here, since double two is already being used by one of the services over here by Vagrant for specific virtual machine, okay, you will not see the same port number when you bring up the second machine.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
It keeps on changing. The more virtual machines you bring up, since it is the same IP address, the port numbers will be changing.
Okay.
That is the reason in your current screen you see when you bring up the second virtual machine, the port number has changed.
Yes.
What is the port number that you have now?
2200.
Perfect. Can you please open PuTTY and connect on that particular port?
Okay.
It's same IP address.
What do you see on the screen there?
Same.
Then do you want to use another one?
Yeah. No.
Entered the password.
We should do the same process for this sudo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it going up? Is it going through the going through the details?
Yeah.
It's apt -get update, right? The last.
Let me open your notes.
Okay.
What do you see here?
Yeah, it's sudo get update. Okay.
All three of you are able to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I connected to the new port and it opened again.
Okay. Are you able to run those details?
Yeah.
Now what we'll do is we'll
Yeah,
bring up a third. Sorry.
we opened, we have logged in, and we have to uh, we have to run the app to get an update, all that.
Do the same steps from the place where I highlighted to the place where I ended the highlight.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to create the third virtual machine.
Yeah, but I have a simple change over there. Okay.
Okay.
Till now, we brought up two virtual machines with the same operating system.
Okay.
Yes.
I want a different operating system now.
So
Okay.
okay.
Can you tell me how to do it?
Mm,
In VirtualBox, we have to install it.
We are not doing anything on VirtualBox. Can you tell me from the Vagrant that we have been learning, how can you do it?
By creating another folder and
with
Okay.
name.
Create a new folder. What is the name of the folder that you will give?
VM3 Ubuntu resource
CentOS.
Okay, what we will do is uh, let's do trusty32.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can you all do it?
Yeah.
I need to check the name of the machine. Are you able to see my screen? Do you see the changes that I've been talking about?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is the command now?
Ubuntu. We have changed here from HashiCorp to Ubuntu.
What?
In the place of HashiCorp, we have changed it to Ubuntu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you perform these commands and let me know what is the port number that you have there?
Okay.
Is it downloading?
Yeah, the progress is going on.
Okay.
It's very slow when compared to others.
Okay.
It's running very slow.
Yeah, I understand. That's the reason I'm typing your assignments here.
I think it will take more half an hour. Okay.
Till now it gone to only 12%.
Okay.
Mine is 30.
Sorry. Okay. As a part of your assignment, I want you to bring up these two virtual machines, which we will be using. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
On both the machines, you do sudo -i and you do yum-y update. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Just like apt-get is for Ubuntu, okay?
For CentOS, it's
Yum is
Yeah.
for CentOS or any Red Hat based machines.
Yes.
Okay? Here we will see few more commands while it is coming up. Everything is fine. Like we brought virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, we connected to them. Now we're doing virtual machine 3. It is downloading and it will come up. You will connect to it on a different port number, so you have 3 virtual machines, all of these things. So how do you stop these virtual machines?
In VirtualBox.
Okay, you're working on Linux kind of environment, you not use graphical interface. So forget about graphical interface.
Oh,
So to see the status of the uh, virtual machine, you do a command that's called Vagrant status. Okay.
okay.
To stop a Vagrant, to stop a virtual machine, you do Vagrant halt. Okay.
Okay.
To restart the virtual machine, you do Vagrant reload. Okay.
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 To delete the virtual machine, okay, you do Vagrant destroy. Okay.
Okay.
This is like reset your phone. What happens when you reset your phone?
Data, everything data will be lost. It's like new one.
All applications. No.
Right? Any other thoughts?
Every application will boot up like fresh one.
Yeah. So your contacts, your pictures, your WhatsApp, your messages, your phone book, all of these things will be deleted, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, when you do a Vagrant destroy, all the data on the VM, data are application on the VM will be deleted. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait a quick second. Ouch, ouch. Okay. Few more commands to see which version of Vagrant is installed. You do Vagrant version. Okay.
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 To pause a Vagrant machine, you do Vagrant pause. Okay. to resume a paused Vagrant machine, you do Vagrant resume. Okay?
Okay.
Uh, those are some of the commands. Pause is not the command, I'm sorry. It is suspend. Okay?
Yeah.
Now if you open your virtual box, you will see a list of virtual boxes over here.
Yeah, 3 of them.
VM1, VM2.
That's right. In general, have you done Windows installation before?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the process?
First we have to reboot the system.
Okay.
Uh, Either we can use CD or through USB.
Okay.
After that we have to reboot the system. Then it will ask whether to format the OS or not.
Okay.
Then if you choose format, it will ask you to go the following steps. And
What are the steps?
uh, first it asks to backup data if necessary.
Okay.
After that, uh, actually,
Actually, I don't need. I
It will
don't.
ask you to configure. It will ask you to configure C drive, D drive,
yeah,
E drive, D drive.
it will ask the whether to
It
boot
will ask you to
which
do.
drive.
Yeah, it will ask you to do time zones. It will ask you to create a user and all of that stuff. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Similarly, okay, Ubuntu. When you install a Ubuntu or a CentOS machine, also, okay,
Okay.
it will ask to. It will if you want to bring up a virtual machine, okay,
Okay.
uh, the regular way, not the vagrant way, okay,
Okay.
it will ask you to give the installation media, it will ask you to configure the drives, it will ask you to configure the users and time zones, etc, etc, etc. The approximate time for you to bring up one virtual machine in a regular standard way, it will take half an hour to 45 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, how much time did we take to bring up 3 or 4 virtual machines? How much time it took?
Uh,
It took only less than half an hour if you do correctly.
Actually, it will not take more than 10 minutes because I've been explaining you step by step very slowly so that you'll understand. It took half an hour.
Yeah.
yeah.
Once you learn this stuff, okay, once you learn this stuff, you can bring up these machines in less than 10 or 15 minutes,
Okay.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of your assignment, let me update you over here. Build a Ubuntu machine in Oracle Virtual Box. Note, see the installation steps steps in YouTube. What are the steps? Apart from the installation steps, what you need to do is
Download Ubuntu.
download Ubuntu
Uh,
ISO file
yeah.
for
Today
12.
I downloaded Ubuntu and I tried to install it. I downloaded ISO file, but it's not taking the file. It's not showing me in virtual machine.
I'll tell you. I believe you would have not done this step.
No, I have done this too. I have given the path of ISO file.
Okay.
Then once I will show you. Once can you share? I will share your screen. My screen. Can you look at it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the screen. These are the files where I downloaded. ISO
Okay.
file. Yeah.
This is the machine, right?
Yeah. This is the virtual machine.
It is empty. Where did you give that?
In storage. Jeez. It's over here.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a down one. Okay.
So that is what I'm telling. Mounting to the
Oh,
virtual machine.
okay.
Did it come?
Yeah, where is the option, mounting option?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Okay,
Minimize the screen. You
okay,
click on settings,
okay,
go to storage.
okay.
You see the CD option over here, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And over here, you have control ID. This will be empty. So
okay,
select this option.
okay,
Over here, you will have an option to select optical device.
yeah, okay,
You need to select that, then it will be mounted to the virtual machine. Okay?
okay, okay,
And it will start doing the installation. If you see over
okay,
here,
yeah,
it is doing. Okay?
okay. How long it will take?
You tell me. I want you to do it. I know how long it will take. The reason I have given you the assignment is so that you will go through that information, estimate it, and you will understand what is Vagrant making easy for you, what is the actual process.
Yeah, yeah. Yesterday, today itself, I tried to install, but I didn't know that storage option. I was trying in that new.
Whenever you get an error message, copy that error message and put it into Google and you will find an answer for it.
Yeah, I have seen it showed me some 15 steps.
Okay, you need to do it right. Those are simple things, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What you did, you're trying to bring up a Windows machine without putting a pen drive or CD drive into the laptop. You bought the uh, for example, you have brought the Ubuntu machine, okay? Sorry, Windows laptop.
Yeah.
You brought a CD or a pen drive. You brought a brand new laptop. You connected the laptop. You did not insert the CD drive or the pen drive. You just put it besides it or on top of it, and you are expecting it to boot. Will it boot?
Sure.
No, right?
No. It's showing me erase disk and install Ubuntu
Yeah. What is the location of that Ubuntu machine that you have?
in C drive.
No. Can you go back?
Yeah.
Okay. Close this window.
Okay.
Where is this G virtual machine Ubuntu? This is the location.
Okay. Okay. It's in G drive.
Okay, it is saying that this is the place where I will format everything. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, the
I have
previous
allocated,
option.
yeah, I have allocated 10 GB of space for this virtual machine.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So try the installation part. All right.
Okay. Okay.
This is going to come up over here. I've given you another assignment there. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
From my screen.
Okay.
Right. Uh, So do these assignments, I'll share the notes. So today we have learned pretty good stuff, right? Bringing
Yeah.
up the first virtual machine, second virtual machine, uh, third virtual machine with a different operating system, right? We've
Okay.
also seen what is the uh, port number, how it changes. We logged into the virtual machine. We updated the package managers in respective machines,
Okay.
right?
Yes, yes.
I've given you an assignment to manually create a virtual machine using the ISO file. The reason I have asked you to do it is unless you know the actual work that is there behind bringing up a regular virtual machine, you will not understand what Vagrant has made easy for you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Anyhow, you still have to learn how to create a virtual machine directly, because Vagrant is not for production. It is only for development. For
Oh,
testing purpose, for development purpose, they use it. Okay?
okay.
But in production, you will actually see VMware Workstation, VMware ESXi server. I told you yesterday. You will see Citrix or you will see Hyper-V.
Yes.
Okay. For
Okay.
them, you will not see anything like Vagrant, Ubuntu, Precise 32 or Precise Trusty 32 or 64. You will not see those kind of things. You will have to do manually. Anyhow, that is not your responsibility. That's a VMware guy's responsibility, right?
Okay.
But you should know how to do an installation of an operating system.
Yeah. Yeah. One of my friend in DevOps, uh, she told me that they are using Citrix instead of Vagrant.
Okay.
Yeah.
See,
That is on the same command prompt like one where we have to create all this stuff.
see. I don't think Citrix they're using in development environment. Okay, Citrix definitely is used, but it would be production environment. Okay,
Okay.
in development area to bring up a machine in less than 3 minutes, these are the tools. I'm not sure if Citrix does that or not.
Okay.
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 I want you to do your labs. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Today, today because this is the first lab class, I have actually waited for you to do the things and learn the commands, see what is happening and things like that. Okay.
Okay.
Going forward, I will just be doing it and writing the notes. You should read the notes and do it by yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
While
Alright, anything
practicing,
else?
if you have any doubts, then you will clear in that next class.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Alright then. Thanks guys. Thanks for your time. You all have a good night. We will again meet on Monday morning according to my time, which is Sunday evening according to your time.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
As I've told you, I do classes only from Monday to Friday. So
Yeah.
since
Yeah.
today is Friday, okay,
Okay.
our next class would be on Monday morning according to my time, which is Saturday, Sunday evening your
Sunday.
time.
Okay.
Okay. All the assignments from the first 3 classes,
Okay.
I want you to do them again and again.
Okay.
During this gap of 2 days, I want you to practice and do it as if this is your job and I'm paying you.
Okay.
Okay. Please remember, when you go to your work, your manager will not do this kind of sweet talk to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't know, I'm so sorry. Sit besides me, I'll teach you. He'll not do all that stuff. He'll simply say get out. Remember that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright then. Thank you guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. See
Yeah.
you in the next class.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good night.